Okay, I want to show you guys the summer grate on the Nordica America. Maybe I should call it a grilling grate. Okay, so this is basically how it sets up. I have one installed. So it sits on the rack like this. Basically, to get it in, you do need to set the front edge down first. So you can see right here where it's gonna hook on. So you hook it in, you slide it, and then you're gonna push it back. Okay, and that is how it's going to look installed.
I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful, that you learn something. If you do enjoy our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like our videos. Share them with your friends, spread them like wildfire on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.